The convoy protest outlasted former Ottawa Police Chief Peter Sloly's career, if only by days. He resigned just before police cleared it out with help from the Emergencies Act. At the inquiry into its use, Sloly is now fighting to save his reputation.
You were pretty concerned that you would lose your job and be blamed for what had happened.
Absolutely not, sir.
In heated testimony, as he was grilled by the lawyer for his former police service, he pushed back against accusations he ignored emails about the dangers the protest posed.
I'm going to suggest to you, Mr. Sloly, that once you receive that email, this one here, you at some point decided that you could blame Deputy Chief Bell at the time for not planning for this event.
That is absolutely incorrect, sir, and I really take offense to that notion. Thank you.
He also had to answer to accusations of micromanaging and angry outbursts during the occupation, including one against an Ontario provincial police officer.
And you don't recall saying that you'll cut off Dave Springer's nuts and use them as bookends.
And use them as bookends? No, sir. I don't recall saying that. I don't think I've ever said anything like that.
At the time, the Ottawa Police Service was paying crisis management company Navigator for a communications strategy. The bill, more than $185,000. Sloly also faced questions from the lawyer for the federal government, who again zeroed in on the issue of tow trucks, arguing that the Emergencies Act was necessary to compel tow truck drivers to help move big rigs. Sloly painted a desperate picture.
At one point, there was an attempt to get the Ministry of Transport to assist with the tow truck issue. Do you recall that?
At one point, I think even Commissioner Lucky, I don't think she was flippant about it, but they were looking at Kijiji to find heavy tow trucks in Canada.
So, Rafi, that's it for Sloly on the stand. Tomorrow, though, I gather we're going to hear from some of the protesters. What's your sense of what we can expect?
Some of the protest organizers will be up first, Adrienne, and among them are people who are facing criminal charges, including mischief and obstruction. Now, Tuesday, we're also keeping an eye out for the Ontario government's appearance in court as it tries to say Premier Doug Ford and Deputy Premier Sylvia Jones have parliamentary privilege and should not have to testify before the Commission. The Commission says that's overstated.
All right, lots to watch for. Rafi Boudjikani in Ottawa. Thanks, Rafi.